Now let the trees dry before you start with the droplets, and I'm going to use just black and a poster white for the droplets. Now the black over here, which I'm drawing my first outer border, is going to be a watery black. You can take a palette and make a watery black if you directly are not very comfortable to pick from the brush. And then I'm going to do some detailing in that, in which I've done dabbing technique of black, and I'm going to add some white. I think I'll just zoom in and show you exactly what I've done. And then the droplet puts a shadow on the glass window, so that's the shadow on the right. So all my droplets will have a shadow on the right, and make sure that the droplets don't look all the same shade. So all my droplets will look different, and the first few I'm going to take from the reference, and then remaining ones I will make them on my own. And even the sizes differ. Some are bigger size, medium sized, small sized. As you can see, this is the watery black shade. Light black is watery black. And next I'm doing dabbing, because there is some shading of black in these droplets. So I'm just dabbing with the watery black at certain areas. And now I'm going to take poster white from the bottle, or you can use an acrylic white, and dab a certain area so that it stands out. Now the intensity of the white differs from each droplet, so I'll just change that according to what I see in the reference. And here I'm giving shadows with slightly darker black, not too dark, and just slightly took a moist brush now and blurring the shadow out. That step can be cancelled if you don't have the patience to do all of that.